Hey everybody, we are going to look at a Salem Platinum FSX model number 170SSX by Forest River. Let's get started.
Okay. Right up front, you're going to see your outside storage. Nice large awning with a light. Let's take a look inside. Inside you have your bed right up front with some wardrobe storage and storage up above.
Okay.
Here you have a nice 3-cushion sofa. This is going to jackknife flat. We'll demonstrate that real quick. And you have this here that folds out, makes an extra sleeping area. Your little mattress for that is right under there. Coming right on down, you have a nice large U-shaped dinette with storage underneath. This will also come down to make extra sleeping area. In your kitchen area, microwave up top, storage below, deep rectangular sink with a 2-burner cooktop, storage below that. Coming right around, very nice 12-volt compressor fridge. Your air conditioning unit. At the back of the coach, you're going to have some hanging hooks.
And a USB.
Oh, yes, USB right down there. More storage area.
All right.
And your bathroom is right in here. For reference, Jeremy's about 6 feet tall. Has good headroom. Nice medicine cabinet up above. And a little storage below. You've got a storage shelf over here right next to your foot flush toilet.
All right, everybody. If you like this travel trailer, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like always, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, everybody.